Today, I'll show you how to play PSP games on any Android device in 2026 using the PPSSPP emulator. Now, this is going to be a complete setup guide, so make sure you stay focused so you don't make any mistakes. To get started, open your Google Play Store app and then search for PPSSPP. Now you can either download this normal version or you can download the golden version, so it's pretty much any one of your choice. Then once you are done with that, search for Z Archiver. This is very important. This app is super important. Make sure you download this to your device. Once you are done, open your PPSSPP app for the very first time. So it's going to open up like this and it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So just click on OK. This is going to take you to your directory. So use any folder that you actually prefer. As for me, I normally use my document folder. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow, and I'll click OK. Now, once we're done with this, you see that there's no game in here to play. So this is where the Z Archiver comes into play. So let's go and open our Z Archiver app. So once you open your Z Archiver app, simply locate your PSP game file. Now, normally it's going to be a zip file. So you can see mine in here. So you can see these are my PSP game files. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on it. So I'm going to tap on this first one at the top. So once I tap on it, it's going to give me 3 extract options. Extract here, extract to, and this extract with a 3 dot icon, which is the third option. So we're going to be using the third option. So click on it. Then once you have clicked on it, go to your PSP folder. If you remember, my PSP folder is in document section. So I'll go to document PSP. I'll go to the game folder. Then I'll paste that in there. So once I paste it, it's going to start extracting the original game file into this folder. So I'm going to do it for the second game that I have in here also. So I'll go into my download section. This second game that I have in here, I'll tap on it. I'll click the third extract option. Then I'll do the same thing again. I'll take it to my PSP folder, game. I'll paste it in here. So that's just how it's done. So let's wait for it to finish extracting this second game file. Alright, I'm done with that. Now we'll reopen our PPSSPP emulator. Once you open it, you can see it still does not know where we kept the game. So you have to go and show it where you are actually keeping those game files. So you click the browse icon at the top. Once you click on it, let me start from the beginning. You show it where you are keeping it. Mine is the document section. So I'll click on document, PSP, game. This is where I'm keeping the game files. Use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the games, they are here and they are ready to play. So it's just that simple. Now you're actually going to need some settings to give you the best performance and FPS when you are playing PSP games on your Android device. I already have dedicated videos for that and I'm going to recommend it towards the end of this video. So just stick to the end of this video so you can get the best settings for your device. Now let's give these games a try and actually see how it goes.
Get ready for the next battle. Fight!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.